Hey, Dewy.McDonald here from Guaranty RV. We got a brand new 2020 Lance. Model number is an 850. Come on inside and let's take a peek at this. You got a nice big grab handle going up into the camper. You got keyless entry. This has some stairs that come down on here. We'll walk right into the main area here. You've got your nice big U-shaped dinette with a table, makes into a bed. You got storage here that also folds down to a little, like a little bed. So here's your Norcold refrigerator and freezer. On this side, you got your stainless steel appliances, 3-burner Dometic oven, 3-book cooktop, fan, microwave right there. Storage here. Double sink right there, storage underneath there. There's your stereo center, control panel, lighting. It's got a little TV there. So you got storage right there on the sides. You got storage in the front, storage on both sides up in there. You got nice big steps going up into the bed area. So tons of room. You got your air conditioning above it with a skylight in there above your bed. Also skylight behind us. More storage here for your cookware, plus pots and pans. And then you got your shower here. Big old shower, tall ceiling with a skylight at the top. Fantastic fan. So pretty awesome little camper for a little long box. 3/4 ton long box truck. So you got a ladder going up onto the roof. You got your electric. This got a manual awning actually on the back coming out. LED lights coming out. You got access to some plumbing right here. Like I said, you got your keyless entry, which is kind of cool. So this has remote electric jacks, all 4 corners, kind of nice. They load and unload. Little storage compartment there. And then you got a little outdoor shower here. You got your power cord here, supply. That's where you fill your water. Propane, double propane tanks there. On the top, you actually have a little rack up on top, so if you want to haul a kayak or something, that's what that's for. You got your drip rails, when they're coming in the rain, and then it's coming across the top of your cab. Actually, it has drip rails coming off so that don't run into the bed. You got the rubber bumpers hooked up to the back of the truck. You got your cap here, a little nice new cap that they're doing. So great little camper. So if you're looking for a little non-slide, long box camper, this is pretty good little selection. Dewy.McDonald, Guaranty RV.